If the customer is shouting at you, it means that he wants his job to be done. He wants his product to be delivered in time. He wants 100% efficiency from you. He wants results from you. He expects something. And if there is something, a gap, that's why he's upset with you.
Whenever you have a dedication, you will get angry. Okay. Because you are dedicated to that work, and when it is not perfect, you are tempted to get anger.
एल्बर्ट पिंटो को गुस्सा क्यों आता है? क्योंकि उसको काम करना है, वो डेडिकेटेड है. अगर आपके सीनियर्स या आपके जूनियर्स, obviously seniors would shout at you, not the juniors would shout at you. If they are shouting at you, it means that they are dedicated towards work. You need to check out for yourself. Are you 100%, 50%, 300%? That's for you to check. It shows a dedication, not that he is upset with you, not that he wants to fire you.
फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट ने पूरे हॉल का ध्यान आपकी तरफ आकर्षित किया सर.
ओके, ब्यूटीफुल ब्यूटीफुल. कभी भी आप कस्टमर के पास जा रहे हैं, जब तक आप उनका अटेंशन गेट नहीं करेंगे, you are not connected to each other. So you must break the current. Good catch, good throw. मतलब we don't acknowledge ourselves. तो चॉकलेट मंगवाइए बड़ी वाली, मतलब इतनी बड़ी वाली, तो दी जाए सके. मतलब इतना अच्छा जवाब दिया मैंने. Too good, too good.
Actually, Mike was waiting for me.
Too good. Hats off to you. I'm loving it. आपको कौन भूलेगा?
भूलने भी नहीं दूंगा. Well, I personally found all the 3 exercises were really very good. First was very much attractive to make all the attraction towards the stage. That was very much required because everybody was talking each other, busy with their own words. So very first exercise means something bad happens. बंदे को गुस्सा आया, क्यों आया, कुछ तो गड़बड़ हुई. So everybody was silent, pin drop silence was there, very much attractive to the stage. Second exercise, what I personally felt, it was not myself to be ready, means to everybody to be ready with me. सबको साथ लेके चलना है, एक साथ चलना है. That's it. अगर कोई गलत भी जा रहा है तो साथ में लेकर आओ उसे.
सबको साथ लेके चलना है.
Absolutely. गलत हो सही हो कोई बात नहीं, आगे पीछे चलते हैं, सबको साथ लेके चलो. वेट करो कोई बात नहीं, सब लोग साथ में आएंगे. Well, I personally felt that.
Too good, too good.
And third one was of course branding, how you can make yourself brand. Everybody can remember you. Whenever you are there to the market, everybody would say, look, High Wedge is coming. Look, this is High Wedge person. Even last time also he was better than others. उसका नाम अरुण अग्रवाल है, या यार टेक्नोलॉजी का बादशाह आदमी है, किसी भी हालत में इसको रिकॉग्नाइज करो. Well, I personally felt that.
Perfectly right. Beautiful. You then I. कस्टमर से आप जाते हैं तो पहले आप की बात होनी चाहिए, ना कि मैं तो पिंक एलिफेंट कंपनी से आया हूँ जी. वो यूज्ड टू सेल हाउसेस, वो घर बेचता था, तो वो जिस भी घर में लेके जाता था अपने कस्टमर को, तो वो उनको पूरा घर दिखाता था. तो देयर वाज अ पर्टिकुलर हाउस वेयर ही टुक अ कस्टमर अलोंग विद हिम, और उन्होंने वहाँ जब उनको लेके गए तो देयर वाज अ चेरी ट्री एट द बैकयार्ड, राइट. So when the husband entered into the home, उन्होंने कहा what is this? The feeling is the ceiling is not well. It needs to be painted. Okay. And when the wife entered, उसने enter करके कहा wow, we can see the cherry tree from the window. It's beautiful, good. And then they moved to the backyard. And the moment they entered into the backyard, the husband said, this also needs to be taken care of. The grill needs to be refurbished. हमें इसको ठीक करवाना पड़ेगा. तो सेल्समैन ने फिर से कहा, wow, cherry tree. Now cherries have started coming on the cherry tree. Good. Then they moved. Husband and wife moved to the kitchen. Then they moved to the kitchen, and husband said, now this furniture also needs to be, the handles needs to be, and the locks need to be repaired. And the wife said, wow, there is a cherry tree. And the salesman also said, wow, there is a cherry tree. And the house was sold. Because the salesman could see what was the hot button. There are always some push buttons. You should know where the push button is. Where is the hot button? If you can judge the hot button, the deal is done. Look out for the buttons. There will always be some authors have said it to be some other points also, but look out for the charity, I would say. हर डील में आपको लगेगा कि customer could be looking for the best crop, customer could be looking for that your packaging of the product is very good, customer could be saying that your empty bag, I have been using it for multiple purposes. Sometimes they would be saying it that the polythene you have been sending, you know, when we receive a calculator or a mobile, we get those envelopes which kids play with that envelopes and they really love it. So maybe they order again and again and again and again, maybe not because of the product, but because of the packaging. Maybe not because of product, but the gifts they get. Maybe not the product, maybe the rewards they get. Maybe the paper they use, the stationery you send them along with the goods. The rough paper they use, they tear it and they keep it in the rough writing pad on the table because it is very good. And the calendar you send every year. This is a beautiful calendar, Rasi. I want this calendar again. Look out for that button and keep on highlighting that button again and again and again. That's it. Period. But look out for that cherry tree. Look out for that button. And once you get that button, the deal is done. Clear? So never ever settle yourself. Keep your funnel full. This is called prospecting. हम अपनी prospecting बंद कर देते हैं. Keep your funnel of prospecting full so that your 100% here will give you 20% here. Are you noticing that? Your आपको लगेगा कि यहाँ पे जो 20% रिजल्ट आ रहा है, यहाँ 80% जो सेल्स आ रही है, वो कहाँ से आ रही है? आपके 100% रिजल्ट्स में से या 80% में से? It will look like, it will be your perception कि ऐसा हो रहा है, but it's a fact. 80% of your sales will happen from the 20% of your customers, no doubt about it. But it doesn't mean that we will be focusing only on those 20% customers. No, we will have to keep working more on our funnel, keeping the funnel full. So keep the funnel full to keep getting the results over the period. One time results चाहिए, settle down. एक बार funnel full की, results आ गए, settle down, I don't mind. But remember these 20% results और इसका 80-20 रूल जरूर रहेगा. इसका 80% रिजल्ट हो सकता है इसमें आपने सिर्फ 20% काम किया हो, उससे आ रहा हो. But you can't compromise on prospecting. You can never ever compromise on prospecting. आपको कोई काम कहा गया था और आपने कहा जी मेरी तो सुबह आंख ही नहीं खुली, मुझे तो पता ही नहीं था, मैंने तो सॉफ्टवेयर ही अपडेटेड नहीं था, मुझे तो ERP सिस्टम में काम करना सिखाया ही नहीं गया, मुझे तो डाटा ऑपरेशन आती ही नहीं है, मैं तो IT इनेबल्ड हूं ही नहीं. इज इक्वल टू अ रीजन. Job to be done plus a reason is not equal to job done. Job done is equal to job done. To make the customers feel comfortable. So maybe you can offer him a cup of tea, maybe you can offer him a cup of coffee, maybe you can offer him a cup of cold drink, maybe you can offer him a water, maybe you can at least offer him only a, if nothing is available, जादू की जप्ती कि आप भी फार्मर हैं, मेरे फादर भी फार्मर थे, आपकी भी लैंड है, हमारी भी लैंड है, आप भी सीड्स के साथ डील करते हैं, आप भी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर हैं, हम भी सीड्स में डील करते हैं, आप डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर हैं, हम मैन्युफैक्चरर हैं. दैट्स इट. हैविंग कॉमन ग्राउंड, नोट कर रहे हैं सब लोग, कॉमन ग्राउंड विद द कस्टमर, कि उनके साथ उन्होंने कॉमन ग्राउंड बिल्ड की
कराया, कस्टमर को फील गुड करा के उसके पास जो कुछ है वो बेस्ट है कस्टमर अगर कुछ भी नेगेटिव सोच रहा था वो सारे रास्ते बंद कर दिए उन्होंने। उन्हें कस्टमर को फील कराया कि यू आर द बेस्ट, यू आर वर्किंग फॉर द बेस्ट कंपनी। इवन मैंने भी आज तक इस कंपनी का नाम सुना है वो हमेशा पॉजिटिविटी के लिए सुना है। सो यू आर रियली गुड, यू आर डूइंग रियली ऑसम जॉब। और अपना व्यू भी रख दिया कि ठीक है ऑसम जॉब है तो यू आर ग्रेट, यू विल बी हैविंग प्लेंटी ऑफ मनी। वो सारी चीज़ें क्लियर हो गई, कस्टमर कुछ भी नेगेटिव सोचने की कंडीशन में नहीं।
Yes.
Whatever the target company given me, I will achieve 100% sales and 100% collection.
This year my challenge is at least 5 crops I am going to achieve number 1 sales in Tamil Nadu. Highest sales and number 1 sales. This is my
Good. Watch. Next. Both should come, I think. The original one and the back one.
मैं आज तक कभी भी फ्यूचर और पास्ट में सोचता था, प्रेजेंट को भूल गया था। लेकिन इसके बाद में अभी जब काम करूँगा मार्केट में या घर में, फैमिली में, किसी भी दोस्त के साथ में, तो प्रेजेंट में जीऊँगा। इसकी वजह से क्या होगा, मैं सक्सेस होऊंगा, काबिल होऊंगा। और अगर काबिल हो गया तो ऑटोमेटिक में सक्सेस हो सकता हूँ।
I will improve my communication skill.
कैसे?
ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों से बात करके।
Thanks for watching the video. If you like our work, share it with your friends. Give us your feedback by commenting on the video. And please do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more such videos.